Hello everybody, Shawn and Michelle Poe here, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Super excited to announce the next LifeVantage Global Incentive Trip, which is going to be to Ireland, August 25th through the 30th of 2019. Currently in the qualification period, which started July 1st of this year, 2018, and is going to run through April 30th of 2019. So we have 10 full months to get you qualified to be on this amazing all expense paid trip to Ireland. So here we go. The tiers for the incentive trip are as follows. You can see that there's 7 tiers there, and you're going to start off by earning the trip at tier 1. Earning 1,000 points going to get you on the trip. Trip for 1, an airline ticket. The second tier is at 1,600 points. That's going to be the trip for 2. 2 airline tickets. I would say everybody should shoot for at least a minimum of that 1,600 points to get you and yourself on this trip. So how do you earn those points to get qualified for the trip? It's pretty simple for this one. Enrollment points. Enrolling and personally enrolling new people into the business. Maxes out at 400 points. You get 15 points for a platinum pack that you enroll, 10 points for a gold. Silver is worth 5, and any preferred customer that you enroll into the system is 2 points apiece. Remember again, that maxes out at 400. Come to the convention, get a ticket for Global Convention, and attend the event. It's going to earn you 100 points. This is a no-brainer, you guys. You got to earn these points. Get your ticket paid for right away. And then we're going to go through the points that you earn when you rank advance and when you help one of your personally sponsored distributors rank advance as well. You get full points for holding the new rank for your account, half the points for your personally enrolled distributors who advance and then hold the new rank. So here we go on the rank advancement points. You can see you start earning points once you hit the rank of Pro 2, earning points up through the rank of Pro 10. So how do you do it, and what is your rank that you're shooting for? What was your initial baseline rank? Wherever you ended June 30th, 2018 is going to be your rank where you start for this promotion. So if you ended June 30th as a paid as Pro 4, paid as Pro 4 will be your starting rank for the entire incentive period. Let's say that previously you had been paid as a Pro 6, but you fell back to a Pro 5. June 30th, 2018, your rank for this qualification is going to be a Pro 5. So just let's reiterate this. Whatever your paid as rank was June 30th, 2018, that is going to be your starting rank for determining how you rank advance throughout this incentive process. Now, when we start looking at these rank advancement points, you can see that at Pro 2 you earn 10 points for rank advancing to Pro 2, Pro 3 is 20, Pro 4 is 50, and so on. And then whoever the enroller was to the person that rank advance is going to earn half the points that they did. So if you help somebody rank advance to the rank of Pro 3 and you personally enrolled them, they would earn the 20 points and you're going to earn 10. Look at Pro 6. If they advanced to Pro 6, they would earn the 200, and if you personally enrolled them, you would get the 100 points there. The second part of this is if a new distributor comes in and they rank advance within the first 3 calendar months of their enrollment. So let's say somebody enrolls August 1st and they rank advance in August to Pro 2. Instead of the normal 10 points that they would have received for that rank advancement, since they did it within the first 3 calendar months of their enrollment, they're going to earn triple the points, so 30 points instead of 10. Now this is where you can use Pacesetter and the Pacesetter program to really advance how people are coming into the business, earning the points, and putting money into their pocket at the same time. With the Pacesetter 3 program, we're trying to get people to the rank of Pro 3 within the first 90 days. So if you did that within the first 90 days, they would get the 30 points for hitting Pro 2 plus 60 points for hitting Pro 3, almost 10% of the points needed to get that first tier on this incentive trip. So it really does pay to get new distributors enrolled in the program. If you enroll somebody on a platinum pack, you're getting getting 15 points. And then you help them rank advance to Pro 2 within the first 90 days. You're going to get 15 points as the enroller. And then helping them get to Pro 3 in those first 90 days as well, another 30 points. So 15 for the Platinum Pack, 15 getting them to Pro 2, 30 points for you for getting them to Pro 3. So we really utilize these triple points and get people to their goals as fast as you possibly can. All right, and the last part of holding the rank, if they get to a new rank, so let's say you help somebody get from Pro 2 to Pro 3, every month that they hold that rank of Pro 3 now, you're going to earn 5 points and they're going to earn 10. So look there on the right-hand column, hold the rank. Personally, they get 5, 10, 25, 50, 100, and so on. You always get half the points that they get for holding that rank. So this can add up to be substantial as well, helping somebody get Pro 5 this month and maintaining for the next 9 months is going to earn you 9 times 25 points. So you can really add up points in a hurry this way as well. One thing that I would do right away to find out who all the people that you can help get points from is going into your back office under your detailed genealogy and changing a couple things there to just look for your personally enrolled distributors. So the first step there, changing the levels, do it 0 to 1 or 1 to 1. And then right under there, under the type, make sure it's not on placement. Make sure that it's under enroller tree. And then third, just update the report. And it's going to give you a generated list of everybody that you've personally enrolled as a distributor. All right, so let's get into some examples here. Distributor ranks Pro 5 as of June 30th, 2018. We're obviously trying to get this person to Pro 6 as fast as possible and get them on the trip. So let's say they actually don't rank advance from Pro 5 to Pro 6 until September. So they had July, August, September they do go from Pro 5 to Pro 6. They're going to earn 200 points for hitting Pro 6. And let's just say that they simply maintain Pro 6 for the rest of the incentive period. So October, November, December, January, February, March, and April, they get 100 points for each one of those months for maintaining Pro 6. It's a total of 900 points simply by going from Pro 5 to Pro 6 in September and then maintaining the rest of the time. Now, if they also bought a ticket and attended the Global Academy coming up here, Global Convention, that would be the 1,000 points that they needed without doing anything else, without helping anybody else to get on this incentive trip. All right, so what about you guys that hit Pro 6 as paid as on June 30th, 2018? How are you going to get on this trip? It's very, very simplistic. Let's look at this. If you get to the rank of Pro 7 by the end of January 2019, you're going to earn 400 points there. And if you simply maintain for February, March, and April, that's going to give you 200 more points each one of those months for a total of 1,000 points. You're already going to get 100 more for buying the ticket and attending Global. So you're sitting at 1,100 points without having done anything else. Now let's look at a brand new distributor and say they enroll July 20th, just for throwing out a number's sake here. And they come in as Platinum Pack, but they don't advance any further in July. Now remember when we looked at the rank advancement points, within the first 90 days they're going to get triple the points for any advancements. So in August, let's say that this person advances to Pro 2. Instead of the 10 points that they normally would have got, because it's within the first 90 days, they actually get 30 points. Now we're going to also have them rank advance in September to Pro 3, earning an additional 60 points. And they maintain Pro 3 in October, that's going to give them 10 points. November, they rank advance to Pro 4, but it's not within the first 90 days, so they don't receive triple the points, but they still receive 50 points for hitting the rank of Pro 4. We have them maintaining Pro 4 in December, which earns half the points as hitting the rank. Maintaining is half, so they got 25 points there. January, they hit the new rank of Pro 5, earning 100 points. February, they maintain Pro 5, and they also do that in March as well, so 50 points for each one of those months. And then in April, they hit the rank of Pro 6 and earn 200 points. This gives them a total of 575 points. They also are going to get 100 points for buying and attending Global Convention. So now we're sitting at 675 points for this person. All right, so how do they get the rest of the points? They're at 675. We need them at least 1,000. So let's now look at personally enrolled rank advancements. So let's say in August, they bring in a brand new person that enrolls on a platinum pack. So for August, enrolling that platinum pack, they're going to earn 15 points. And let's say they don't rank advance any further than that. But they help this person in September rank advance to Pro 2. And remember, if you do it within the first 90 days, you get triple the points. So instead of the 5 points that they'd normally get helping somebody get to Pro 2, they get 15. October, they're getting that person to Pro 3, triple the points again, so they're earning 30 points instead of 10. Now in November, let's say that person maintains the rank of Pro 3, they're going to earn 5 points for helping the person maintain that. December, they help them rank advance to Pro 4. That person would have earned 50 points, but as the distributor that enrolled them, you earn 25. Say that they maintain the rank of Pro 4 the rest of the time. So January, February, March, and April, it's 12.5 points per month. So that would be 25 for 2 months, and then I guess another 50 for the 4 months. So a total of 140 points here added on to the 675 that they already. So this distributor, they also enroll a new platinum pack in September, just like they did in August, and they're going to go through the same scenario where they help get the person to Pro 2 and Pro 3 within the first 90 days, earning 15 points for Pro 2, 30 points for Pro 3. They maintain in December rank of Pro 3, so that gets them an additional 5 points. January, they help them hit the rank of Pro 4, earning 25 points, and maintain Pro 4 for another 3 months, earning 12.5 points each one of those months, for a total of an additional 127.5 points. So with those two new distributors, they're not quite there yet. They need a third person enrolled. So let's assume that they enroll another person on a platinum pack in October, do the same things, getting them to Pro 2 and Pro 3 within the first 90 days, earning 15 and 30 points there. January, they maintain Pro 3, earning 5 points for you. And then February, they hit the rank of Pro 4, earning 25 points for you. And then March maintaining and April maintaining Pro 4 at 12.5 points apiece for those months. Now they're up to 115 points for this person. So we started with 675 points. They earned an additional 140, 127.5, and 115 off of 3 new distributors. They have more than enough to qualify for the incentive trip. That was an example for somebody coming brand new into the company, but let's say your first 90 days has already expired, you can't get the triple points, but your distributor rank, paid as rank, June 30th was Pro 2, less than Pro 2. How can you get there? So we're going to do pretty much the same stuff as far as the rank advancing. You can see there in August going to Pro 2, earning 10 points, September Pro 3, 20 points, and so on, maintaining a few of those months. This would earn you, including the 100 points for the ticket and attending global convention, 615 points. And then we're going to go through the exact same scenario where they're enrolling 3 people, 1 a month on the Platinum Pack, helping them advance Pro 2 and Pro 3 within the first 90 days, and then maintaining a few months throughout the course as well. But these are the exact same scenarios as we used in the previous example. Now this is going to have them a little bit short at 997.5 points, but for each PC you enroll, you get 2 points. And I promise you, if you're sharing this information, in the next 10 months, you're going to get a couple customers along the way. So enroll 2+ PCs, you're going to be absolutely qualified at that first tier for this incentive trip. There you go. That is the incentive trip qualification for Ireland. We cannot wait to see the world with you guys and get as many people qualified for this incentive trip as possible. Talk to you later.